Hey, hey! Hello again. So I'm coming back today as Stephanie from Lazy Town. It's really grown on me, this pink. I didn't really like it in the beginning. It was a lot brighter because I just thought, oh no, I'm going to chuck loads in. But I love it a lot more now that it's a bit lighter. Still not sure if I'll keep it, but my husband likes it, so he's the only one who really sees me nowadays, so that's all that matters. Anyway, so today I'm going to be showing you how to get sort of salon sleek. So today I'm going to show you how to get salon sleek hair, salon straight sleek hair. I think often when people straighten their hair they're just like slap dash and just try to do it as quickly as possible. But this is a way that it will hopefully last, it will damage your hair the least amount and it will look nice and shiny and healthy and not with an inch of its life. For starters, I match my brush, well coordinated, and my products. But again, I'm going to be using a GHD tool. I'm using my GHD original straighteners. I'm obviously a GHD die-hard fan, love their tools. They have incredible technology. A lot of people tell me that they don't really like GHD because they don't have a temperature gauge and you can't change the temperature. The reason for that is they've set all their tools to the perfect temperature for your hair. If the heat was slightly less, you would probably be going over your hair more and it would be causing more damage. If the heat was more, it would just be damaging your hair for no reason. It's at the optimum heat to get a good result. Some of their more recent launches, the straighteners are particularly good because they measure the temperature at such a fast rate as they go down the hair that it means it can keep it constant. As you're putting the straighteners down your hair, it's readjusting the heat at a really quick rate so that it's keeping it kind of constant, so you don't get some bits that are hotter and some bits that are less hot. I don't know if I'm explaining that very well. But the older stylers, they were a lot slower, so you would get more heat kind of at the top, and then as it would dry down there'd be less heat as you straighten the bottom, going through the straightener. I feel like no. Anyway, their technology is fab and it's better for your hair, so good for GHD. Yeah, let's go. I start with hair that's blow dried as sleek as possible. So I used a round brush just to try and get my hair as straight as I can with the blow dry, especially since I've got curly hair. The next key things with trying to get sleek hair is your product. So I started with Milkshake Incredible Milk. This is amazing and it smells incredible. All of Milkshake's products do. They smell like milkshakes. These are the products we sell in the salon. This one has 12 effects. So it's mainly a leave-in treatment. It repairs, it's frizz control, prevents split ends, heat protection, which is key, keeps your hairstyle lasting longer. It's a detangler, magnificent shine, adds body and volume, easier styling, protects the main skin's colour, protects from UV rays, and smoothens. So this is the best product. We've probably just used this, but I also added in a bit of oil. I use coconut oil. I find it really good for my skin and my hair. You can just buy a huge jar, it lasts me forever. Moroccan oil is also obviously really good. I then added a tiny bit of Bedhead Afterparty. This just helps smooth it even more since it is so frizzy and fluffy in my hair. So a key to getting your hair as straight as when you do in the salon is taking really fine sections. I'm going to start at the base of my neck. I don't often straighten my own hair, I usually wear wavy, but sometimes it's a nice change. So again, I'm going to pull my hair to the front in 2 sections. Now you want to brush through the hair to make sure there's absolutely no tangles or knots, otherwise you're going to reinforce that knot when you brush the straightener over. So I'm going to clamp it as close to the top as possible and drag it down in one slow sweep. finer sections and making sure there's no knots stops you from having to go over and over and over one piece. So this piece I only went over twice and it's pretty straight. You want to move fairly slowly as you go down. And then just to get the root at the back, I'm gonna do the back. And then move on. If I don't do it this way, my hair will not last more than an hour straight. It will just go back curly. Having your hair as straight as possible from the blow dry stops you having to go over it so many times as well. I don't like my fringe to be too straight, so I'm just going to brush over those. Oh, that one went well for the first time in my life. And my straighteners weren't even on for that. So now at the end, I'm just going to get a tiny bit more of the Afterparty or the oil and just push that down. And lastly, I'm going to spray my brush with a bit of hairspray and just brush down this little flyways at the top. I've got so many at the moment, which is good news because I'm getting new growth, but just not. And then pretty much as usual, I'm going to tuck this behind. And there you have it. So I might the next day have to go over slightly just at the roots, especially underneath, but this will last me a few days now. There you go. Now you can hopefully straighten your hair with the least amount of damage as well and get it to last and look nice and sleek. There's another thing I wanted to mention as I was doing my hair. So I'm going to start at the base of my ear. My ear. Hey, hey! Oh no!